Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a return policy to your Shopify store. A clear return policy helps build trust with your customers and set expectations for returns. Let's dive in. First, log into your Shopify admin. To do so, just go to your web browser and in the search bar type shopify.com. After the website appears, enter your account credentials. Now, once in the dashboard, in the left sidebar, click on Settings at the bottom of the dashboard. It's right next to the gear icon. This is where, from the Settings menu, select Policies. Just scroll all the way down and select Policies here. Now, let's add your return policy. Scroll down to Return Policy section, Return and Refund Policy. You can and click on it. You can either write your own return policy or use templates provided by Shopify by clicking in Insert Template. Make sure to include important details like return timeframes, product conditions for returns, and any shipping costs related to returns. I'm just gonna refund and I'll click on Publish. Now, your return policy will now automatically appear in the footer of your store's checkout page. If you want to display it elsewhere, you can create a new page for it under Online Store. Just go back to your Shopify dashboard, go to Online Store, go to Themes, Customize, then you can create a new page for it under Online Store Pages. Then link it to your store's navigation. And that's it. You've successfully added a return policy to your Shopify store, making it easy for customers to understand your return process. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and if you have furthermore questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.